Is your workday a cluster of soul-sucking events?
Wake up to an alarm.
Slam down some caffeine, quick brekkie on the run, rush out the door,
Grind through a mind-numbing work commute.
only to clock up hours for someone else's company, performing work that doesn't really excite you or add any meaning to your life. The solution? Well, you can put an end to all of that misery by learning how to earn online, by creating your own online business that you truly enjoy working on. A highly automated system that's open 24/7, 365. Gives you the freedom and flexibility to actually live the life you desire. No more going home tired at the end of a long workday, taking those work stresses back into your home life, struggling to muster up the energy to really engage with the kids or connect with your partner. Repeating this cycle over and over again. Your weekends and breaks vanish in the blink of an eye. My name is Toby, and I believe you shouldn't have to trade your precious time for money to work an unfulfilling job. But do know that I get it. After working fly in, fly out in the mines for many years, I know what it's like. Being dragged away from friends and family for extended periods of time. Sacrificing your happiness to work a job that doesn't provide any real meaning to your life. It's the old school trade time for money approach. Look, it's not your fault. It's the traditional method that's been fed to us ever since we were young. Get an education, get a job, loyally show up to that job, day after day, year after year, like a good little cog in the machine. Today, I'm going to encourage you to think a bit differently. Actually, a lot differently. By clicking the link below, you can receive your free 4-part video workshop series, in which you will learn how to start and grow your own profitable online business from scratch. No experience necessary or even a unique product or idea. This free training is from the same mentors who have helped me and thousands of others start an online business that we love. They are experts who specialize in helping people work towards time, financial, and geographical freedom. I mean, you can work from anywhere with an internet connection. Picture yourself waking up whenever you wanted to, feeling refreshed and excited about the project that you selected to work on that day. You roll out of bed, flick open the laptop, and you can't help but start grinning as you realize that your bank balance just got bigger while you were asleep. But first, you plan to hang out with some friends or family, maybe get some exercise in. You're the boss and you're in charge of your time. Your friends may wonder if you've won the lotto, or maybe you're just that switched on person who seems to have it all figured out. Not only are you happier, but you have a stronger bond with your kids and a deeper connection with your partner. How is this possible? Well, you've made yourself recession-proof by developing the digital skills to thrive in any market. You now have the freedom and flexibility to decide what you want to do, thanks to your highly automated online business that's open 24/7, 365, along with the financial security of setting up multiple income streams. Your only regret in life? Why didn't I do this earlier? Now you're a smart cookie and you understand that all this can happen, but it won't happen overnight. It will require some upfront work. Just because you've bought a gym membership doesn't mean you're going to get a six-pack. But today, by clicking the link, I'm giving you the chance to take the first step on this journey. Now, practically anyone can do this. Even you, Gramps. Think you need to be a tech-savvy ninja to figure out all this online gobbledygook? Think again. If you can navigate the absolute basics of a computer, you can make money online. Furthermore, it's the perfect opportunity for those who have very little free time. You can build it bit by bit without having to quit your day job. Until you want to. So the most common question is, where do I start? Well, it all starts with education. And I'm offering you a chance to learn a ton more for free. Click the link to claim your 4-part video workshop series. This training will also reveal these 6 crucial steps to take for your success online, as well as the major common mistakes to avoid. A lot of people get these wrong. Don't become that jaded employee that just grinds away, forced to repeat the same workday over and over again. Don't miss out on huge chunks of your kids' childhoods, or having the time and financial freedom to just do what you actually want to do with your life. Look, this ad is about to end and you may never see it again. So I'm encouraging you to be an action taker and seize this opportunity. This workshop series has been the catalyst for radically improving thousands of people's lives. Now's the time to see if it can do the same for you. Click the link to learn more.